What's up guys, we have very special delivery today. This is the first KYMCO AK550 Premium in America. You're gonna see us today to unbox it, show you all the features, explain you all the differences between the regular KYMCO AK550 and this Premium edition. I know the AK550 Premium is out for some time in Europe and Asia, but in US this is the first unit. This comes in a flat brown color that I never seen before. Actually, I never seen before in person the AK550 Premium at all. I just seen it on the videos, like most of you could see it. But this is gonna be the first look, the first unboxing, and the AK550 Premium will take the first breath in America. Ready?
Oh, wow.
Nice. Let's see it. Wow, the color is cool. The color is super nice. I'm just right away looking like at all the differences and the design differences. So the front is wider a little bit than the standard AK550 and has like a different shape a little bit. I'm right away looking what are these cables for that I don't recognize, that are not placed on the standard AK550, and that's the electronically adjustable windshield. That's one of the differences, one of the features that the Premium model has. But we're gonna go through all the differences later in the video. I don't know how it looks like on the video, but in person it looks great. So here you can see the mechanism, like this isn't there on the standard AK, and the mounts of the windscreen are completely different. Then these buttons are added over here, and electronically adjustable windshield buttons on the handlebar. This, I guess it's going to be maybe some cruise control locking, but I guess the cruise control is here, so we're gonna figure it out what is this for exactly. And then you have relocated, those heated grips are right here, and the mode button is right there. And here we have a kill switch and the nudo controls. The battery used to be located right here, so if you wanted to get an access to the battery, you had to remove the whole front, like the plastic cover and the windscreen, and in order to get an access to the battery. So I see that the battery got relocated in your left glove compartment, so the battery will be right there. I think that's better. And so we're gonna go ahead and drop the battery in there, put some gas in there, check the fluids, check the tires, brakes, do all the PDI, and and take it for a ride, of course. So I'm excited for it. If it feels any difference than the standard AK, so let's get to it.